Having downloaded and installed the software may open automatically, but if not, you can double-click on either of the sports icons, which are automatically installed on the program menu and on the desktop. A splash screen should first appear for a few seconds before seeing the opening screen. Initially, you can get the opportunity to indicate what surface your tournament is played on. This, of course, will depend on your sport. Here, you can enter the names of the groups in your tournament. Up to 15 can be entered. You don't have to enter them all at the start. To create the fixtures and league table for a particular division, click on the group you want on the right and click Next. This brings you to the main menu, where the key information for each group is entered. As information is entered, you should see it on the right. First, enter the names of the teams in this group. Notice that at any time a team can be removed or replaced. Next, enter the number of times you want each team to play the other. Next, enter the number of days over which all the group games are to be played. Next, enter where all the group games are to be played. Normally, you want all the group games to be played on specific pitches. Next, enter the time you want the first group matches to be played. I'll enter 9 AM. Next, enter how frequently matches are to be played on each pitch. This will clearly depend on the length of each match. Now we can create the fixtures and league table. As you can see, the day, the time, and the pitch are all generated by the software. Scores can now be entered and the table updates. Notice the filter facility, which is useful if you want to send each team their own fixtures. There are print buttons which allow you to print off the fixtures or the tables. There are also export buttons which are useful if you want to copy the fixtures or tables onto another document, onto an email, or onto a website. Looking at the fixtures again, you might decide that the team did not get enough rest between games. So rather than use the hour, you could have used longer. You can then set the start time of other groups so that the two groups can alternate on the same pitches. If we click Main Menu, we come back to the main menu, where all the main options are available. You can opt to create another division, create fixtures for a specific division, enter scores on an existing division, or change the point system.